Meet GstarCAD Point Cloud, an advanced solution for point cloud to CAD conversion. Integrated with the Undet Point Cloud plugin, it allows you to seamlessly import and manage point cloud data from any 3D laser scanner or drone mapping system directly in GstarCAD, regardless of project size or the number of scan positions. GstarCAD Point Cloud provides intuitive tools to control point cloud visibility, allowing you to enable or disable specific point cloud groups or individual files effortlessly. The coloring mode feature enables you to switch between RGB colors, height-based coloring, intensity coloring, and more, while also adjusting the size of point cloud points to suit your needs. For projects where overlapping points obscure details, the transparency setting ensures the primary outlines of your point cloud stand out clearly. Additionally, clipping tools like Clip by Line and Clip by Rectangle enable you to create and manage precise view sections, stored conveniently in the Scan Data Manager for easy access and available for further clipping volume adjustments. Visualizing point clouds in a CAD environment can be challenging, but GstarCAD Point Cloud makes it effortless. With structured point cloud data and the integrated 360-degree panoramic image viewer, you can merge 3D point clouds with panoramic images. Navigate your point cloud views seamlessly by interacting directly with these panoramic photos, saving time and enhancing accuracy. Use GstarCAD Point Cloud to create floor plans, sections, elevations, and even 3D models. With specialized tools, this integration simplifies the process of inserting and customizing dynamic blocks. And annotating drawings can be done quickly in the Undet browser using predefined or customized scripts. Besides, GstarCAD Point Cloud provides a list of advanced features. For example, you can drape 2D lines and blocks over point cloud surfaces to create 3D topography plans. You can also use the automatic feature extraction tool to obtain ground surface mesh from unclassified point clouds. Then use the mesh slicing feature to slice surface mesh and create road profiles or contour lines for terrain mesh. Download GstarCAD now for a 30-day free trial and experience the full potential of GstarCAD Point Cloud.